Yeah, so we found a new spot. We found a new trail, so we're going to look for it and see if we find a new water spot.
Okay, let's try it, Mommy. I didn't put my pants down.
We're on an adventure.
We have to venture. We like one doesn't go. We look. They didn't look. One can see our water. Looking for the jungle. Look for the jungle. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. Look at beautiful day. What a beautiful day. What? A water.
You found a new spot?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Let's go find
How are you going to go down?
Can I know how to?
You don't know how to?
No.
Wow. I like this new spot.
Well,
It's hidden deep in the jungle.
yeah, jungle.
Wow.
Well, Mom, let's go down there.
Huh?
Let's go down there.
You want to go down there?
Yeah. Well, but this is so slippery.
It is slippery. We have to be careful.
Well, I'll be careful.
You're being careful?
Yeah. I'm being careful. I think it's our shoe off.
Taking your shoe off?
Yeah. I'm taking my shoes off. It's so hurting. It's very hurting. Whoa, look cool. It's cold water.
It is cold water.
Well, it's so pretty. Whoa.
I like this spot better. What do you think?
I know let's have a race.
We need to have a race?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think it looks like it's really fun. Go ham.
Okay, let's go have a race.
Okay, well, let me wash my hands. Wash my hands. Mommy, hold my hand.
No, we have to get you. Oh my goodness.
Mommy, let's build a sandcastle.
You want to build a sandcastle? You want to have a race?
Yeah, let's build a
I
castle.
think you're having too much fun today.
Let's go in the water.
You,
Let's build the castle. Let's build a castle. Mama, need help.
I have to help you?
Yeah,
Oh, I don't think so.
I think so.
Okay, all right, let's build a castle.
Mommy, help me.
All right, I will.
I need to go to your spot.
You need to come to my spot.
Island. There's one more. There's one. Here we go. Ready, steady, go. I win! I win! I win! Well, let's make a castle.
What?
I do have-
I'm winning. I'm winning. My big leaf is winning. I'm winning. I won! I won! I won! I won!
I need another one. Mama, let's make a castle. Let's make a castle. Let's make a castle.
Okay.
One, two,
Ready, steady, go. Mine is the big one. Casey is the little one. Oh, Casey win! Oh my goodness! I won!
I win! I win! I win! I win! I win! I win!
I win!
No, I win! Water. This is the water. Let's build a castle, Bobby. Yeah, help me, Bobby. Help me.
Okay.
This is the water. This is the water. Where's the dolphin?
I don't see the dolphin. I don't know where it went.
Oh, here's the dolphin. Here's the dolphin.
Oh,
Look, my family.
look, there goes the leaf. Look, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes.
I want it.
Yeah, get another one. Oh, I'm coming! Oh, what are we going to
I
do?
don't know. We got to do the stick.
Okay, let's do the stick. Oh my goodness! Are you coming?
Yeah.
I save her. I save the princess. Come on, princess. Oh, I'm coming. I'm coming. And your stick is gone. How are you going to make it? Oh my god. Come, I'm coming for you. Yeah. I saved you, my prince. You're too smart. You're hilarious. I'm your prince.
Yeah. Over there.
Okay, I'll go over there. She's the director for the movie. Oh, I have to get you. I'm coming, my princess, on my horse. Oh, I have to get your stick. Let me see if I can catch your stick for you. I got yours one.
No, don't go over there.
Oh, I have to go over there. Oh,
Catch the stick.
you saved me.
Go.
Oh, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. We find another trail.
Yeah. It's looking for statues. There's a trail. It's over there. There's a... I found it. There's a little spot.
You found another awesome spot.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna get there.
But it's hard to get down there.
Huh, I can.
Yeah, we can't get down this one.
Yeah.
There's nowhere to walk down.
And then we can walk in the water.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. One step. Mommy, hold my hand. How to go in the water.
And here we find another trail.
How we gonna get there?
I know, we can't get down here. Wow.
We have to take our shoes off.
No, we can't. There's no way to step down in this trail.
Yeah.
So we have to go again and go hunt for another trail.
We have to go.
So we find one more trail
Where?
and we're going to see.
Over there. I found that trail. Let's go over there. Let's go find that trail over there. Let's go. God, we made it. We made it.
We made it.
Let's go down. How we going to go down?
I know.
We can.
We can.
Yeah. Whoa. We can.
Yeah, be careful.
We gotta go under.
Oh, but this part is deep. We can't go down.
Wait. I know. We can swim.
You want to swim?
No.
Oh, you want to leave to swim?
Not working.
What? Going on adventure. I'm not scared.
I'm not scared.
What a beautiful day.
Look, a water park.
A water park?
Oh man, I can swim.
You can swim?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa. You see me?
So we find one more spot.
You got me?
Yeah, I got you. Casey, I see a frog. He's on the thingy. He's sitting on the rock. So this is one little spot, but it's not safe for Casey to go in the water.
There's 2 bubbles.
There are lots of bubbles.
I can swim.
You can swim.
Yeah.
We can't find the bird.
What's a good spot? What's it done?
You hear the bird?
No, it's a big bird.
It's a big bird,
Yeah.
but we can't see them. We made it?
We made it out house. We made it.
Okay, tell your friends thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. Can you follow me with the skip it off by Joe's?
You have to turn around and look.
And subscribe on our channel. So see you next time.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Please remember to like and
Subscribe.
subscribe. Bye.
Bye.